education.
I must have given because there must be a place.
Helpline number.
No,
ফর্মে নিশ্চয়ই থাকবে।
my mobile number will be given in the form for sure, including the mail ID.
Now, if that be so, from the end of the college or from any authority, because a student is coming from such a background, is it very difficult for the colleges to send at least a WhatsApp message that
college called everybody, my lord, who are get.
Now you got that this student is coming from way back, very interior village of Islampur. He may not have receiving all the informations of your college. Is it not? How many seats you have?
156.
153. So you are finding except one or two or barring very few are not coming. You may drop a message that it is your date of admission and you have to come with this money, all the details. You can appreciate a boy from 25 kilometers away in the village, remote village of Islampur is coming to Kolkata. How many times he came before this? How many times he came to Kolkata? How many times he came to Kolkata?
That was the first time he came to Kolkata.
So first time he's coming to Kolkata, struggling to reach to the college at Bajbaj. Reaching there, he found that this is not the place where he can submit his admission fees. He has to go to SSKM. When he went there, he found it is not the check, but the bank draft he has to arrange for. The father, who has the bank account which has been, rather this is a dormant account for not being operated for long time. He is giving a check. First time he is signing a check. This is the reality of India. And in the age of communication, today, if you say that we could not contact, but we do not want to contact, what is this? You are leaving that I have given something in my website. If you can see. If you cannot. Very unfortunate affair. And for which he has to approach High Court. You cannot meet it at your level because of different restrictions, obviously.
5 seats are lying vacant.
Lying vacant. If you inquire into, you will finding the similar situation, almost at least 1 or 2 more.
Yes.
It is not very easy to arrange 10 lakhs or 15 lakhs at a time for a farmer background, illiterate who is the first time learner, first generation is coming forward. By the grace of God, he has now become an eligible candidate for MBBS, expecting, I pray to the God, he must complete his education. He will be a very great doctor of our country. System wants to support them, but some man behind system are polluting it. The government has sanctioned students' loan, but he is unable to take benefit of it. Whose fault is this?
Medical counseling committee.
They must be informed with all at the district level, at the village level. They are proud. They are our pride. These students is our pride. You must protect them. Education.
I took instruction, my lord.
Yes, what is your instruction?
They said they will not only wait for admission, they will take the admission. My lord, they will give the bank draft and first class magistrate bond of rupees 10 lakhs, and they have to apply for a credit card before the government. I mean, loan against, they have to apply.
Which department?
There is a portal where the
Portal.
student will apply. After the student applies, within 7 to 15 days, the government will process it. If it is approved, it
Mr.
will
Nag,
If it is
make it,
approved.
Mr. Nag, make it clear. Then again, a question of bond comes. He has to make the bond ready for rest of 10 lakhs.
Yes,
Then he will apply for the student credit card,
my lord.
which will rotate through his college or
No,
directly.
he will apply.
Direct,
Then
direct,
the
my lord.
department will make a
There is a portal available.
yes.
And the student apply through the portal. That will be approved by the government.
Mr. Dotto, are you expecting that this student can and his father can do that?
The
Sitting in
student,
Kolkata?
the loan will
No, the student can.
May not be the father, but
Father?
the student can do it.
the loan will be in the name of the student only. The father has no role here.
Then the bond will be given back.
The bond will be given back. When the money comes, the bond will be
When
We will
returned.
return the bond.
If the-
Mr. Roy, I'm suggesting one thing. There's a little bit complicated situation. You have not obtained the bond as of today. You supply the format of bond. Supply the format of bond.
With them, my lord, in the website.
Supply the format of bond. Help him.
College will
And it is no, Mr. Roy. It is required to be executed, possibly father and mother both.
Both.
Otherwise, one matter is going on.
Yes, yes.
There will be a defective bond and they may refuse it. So where is your mother? In the home?
Guarantor is sufficient to execute the bond, but in that case, the name of father and mother was there, but sign is not. In that case, that was happened.
Then how the bond the father can himself alone can give?
Father will give
The bond of father will do.
As a guarantor.
a letter of
The bond will be executed the father. That is the guarantee.
Yes, yes.
Father,
letter mother will execute, my lord.
huh?
Letter mother will have to execute.
No. Milord will record in the order that the father will execute a bond as a guarantor, which will be accepted by the college. It becomes judicial order.
No, Mr. Nag, there is a problem. The college has got a format. I have seen the other college, it has got a format. Any fault in any line, no, we cannot accept. So you give him the details of the bond, which will be the format of bond. Mr. Roy, obtain the bond or the first class magistrate. I think it is from the first class magistrate. Get it today.
Not possible, my lord.
Of the father, my lord.
Again, the bond will be complicated. Give 1 day time, my lord, to them. Give 1 day time for them.
No, today or tomorrow you cannot get the
Bond করতে পারবো?
Already, my lord, it is 12. It
one.
went by tomorrow.
Yes, first of all, you get one thing. First of all, you get the bank draft of 15 lakh. In whose credit you may verify, talk to
My lord,
then the bank bond for the rest amount.
my lord,
Inquire where to apply,
my lord.
when to apply for the student credit card. Complete all these things. I will pass necessary direction on Thursday because tomorrow I may not be available.
Great. Tomorrow also, my lord, I will be requiring the time for the.
Yes, you arrange for everything. Is Mr. Shatra, help the student. Help the student. Thursday to be mentioned. In the meantime, Mr. Nag, see that
No, no, I-
everything should be in order.
Yes, yes.
Everything should be in order.
Yes, yes. We will.
Let's go.
My lord,
Order will be passed, my lord.
এসো এদিকে এসো। The matter be placed in the list on Thursday under the heading to be mentioned. I'm not making any comment now.
Sure.
Only it will come to be mentioned on Thursday, detailed order will be passed.
Sure.
So that you may not be in any trouble.
Milord.
But keep it in mind, the college
My lord.
or Mr. Nag, you know the allotted college seat will be allotted, you may pass a direction, communicate it to the student in whatever form and whatever mode available under our. It is not very difficult for the college at least to give information to the student that your is this and these are these things. Website purpose, we have not yet been advanced that stage that everyone every day you are expecting that website. Last when you have checked your mail?
I'm grateful, your lordship. My lord, my learned friend, my lord, has been insisting on me, my lord. What has fallen from your lordship is spelled out, my lord, by a judgment of my lord Justice Iyer. If I could just read, my lord, I'll just take your lordship 30 seconds time for this. The second one is more important for the third world countries. Statutory construction, so as long as law is at the service of life, cannot be divorced from the social setting. This is why welfare legislation like one with which are now concerned must be interpreted in a third world perspective. We are not on the Fifth Avenue of the West End of London. We are in a hilly region of an Indian town with indigents struggling to live and huddling for want of accommodation. The law itself is intended to protect tenants from the unreasonable eviction, and is therefore loaded in a little in favor of the tenants from the class of beneficiaries. When interpreting this text of such provision, and this holds good in reading the meaning of documents regulating the relations between the weaker and the stronger contracting parties, we must remember what an earlier decision of this court has been observed, where doubts arise, the Gandhian talisman becomes a tool of interpretation. Whenever you are in a doubt, apply the following treatment and recall the face of the poorest and the weakest man whom you may have seen, and ask yourself if the step you contemplate is going to be of any use to him.
This is the last one which has been often quoted in the update. Give it to me. And it is good, Mr. Roy. Last day's judgment likes to see you are in the philosophy between the lines and behind the law. It is ultimate object. This is the ultimate object, and we must not forget the ground reality. That is why once I rather confronted with Justice Sanjay Banerjee when he was putting a cost of something for giving an extension of time to file written statement. I submitted before Justice Banerjee. The suit value is 50 rupees. The fees of the lawyer to write a written statement is 100 rupees. Give us 1 lakh